007lakshya Scratch tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn that how to add an animated thumbnail to a Scratch project. Just like I am showing you an example, just like this project. We will learn how to make an animated thumbnail just like this example. So without wasting time, we will go to just the create button and wait until the new screen comes. Okay, so new screen of the editor has came. So we'll add some blocks to the Scratch card, just like when flag is clicked. Save Scratch rocks. Okay. You can add some custom blocks and add the project you wanted. Just we'll rename it. Okay, now we'll learn how to add an animated thumbnail. First, we will go to the Google and search for any animated thumbnail you want to add. Just like I'm searching for DMC. Dancing banana leaf. Yes, that's what I wanted. Here is the GIF shown. And if in your case it doesn't dance, just like if it's not GIF, then we can do one thing, just like go to the tools button and here in type choose GIF. So just like we search, it will be a GIF only, just like this. So we will just save it by adding and save images. Okay, so we will name it as the banana. Okay, and we'll simply close this tab and we'll go to the next tab named animated thumbnail bookmarklet. Means bookmarklet. Yes, here the link is given in the description. We can go here and paste bookmark bar. If your bookmark bar is not shown, you can go here and select show bookmark bar, and if it doesn't work, then select Ctrl plus Shift plus B. It will show or hide the bookmark bars. And we will just drag this blue line to the bookmarks line, and it will show like this in the Chrome tab. Other tabs I didn't know, but in Chrome browser this is like. So we'll now go to the project and see project page, and we can share it to know if that's an animated thumbnail. And we'll just simply click here, and here shows select an image or drag and drop anywhere on this page. So if you're in Chrome browser, here will show the banana.gif if we have saved. If you didn't show, you can select an image, banana, then here shows the preview. The thumbnail was successfully changed. If you want to take another image, if you don't want this image, you can take another image. Okay, so we will simply go to close. This is shared, and now I'll go to my profile. Here's the animated thumbnail. Let me change the upper one. Here's the animated thumbnails of banana which we wanted. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, like, comment and share this video. And for more videos like this, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more notification updates of our new videos. So, thank you and have a nice day.